Hello everybody, today I'm going to tell you about the 4 seeds that every woman should add in their diet. The first are the flax seeds, which are rich in lignans and fibers, and they help in digestion and regulating the estrogen level. Hence, ideal time to use it during the follicular phase of the menstrual cycle, where they regulate the estrogen level and detoxify it. The second are the pumpkin seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, and they help in boosting the progesterone level and reducing the inflammation, and ideal for use during the follicular phase of menstrual cycle, where they balance the progesterone level and reduces the inflammation. The third are the sunflower seeds, which are rich in vitamin E and selenium, and they strengthen and boost the progesterone production, ideal during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle, where they basically balance the hormones and also reduce the premenstrual symptoms. The fourth and the final are the CCM seeds, which are rich in lignans and calcium, and they regulate the estrogen level and strengthen the bones. They're ideal to use during the luteal phase of the menstrual cycle, wherein they basically modulate the estrogen progesterone level and they strengthen your bones. See, all these seeds should be added in your diet, and this does not mean that lifestyle modification you can skip. Lifestyle modification along with diet is major important signs to be treated for any of the deficiencies that women have. And thank you for watching.